Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Dev. In this video, we're going to talk about something super important in web design, HTML attributes. Don't worry, it's not as fancy as it sounds. Let's jump in and make sense of it all. HTML attributes are like helpers for our web pages. Look at this paragraph. We added a class to give it a special look. And this image? The src tells where it's from, and alt gives a little description. Attributes make things better. Now let me show you a real example. Imagine you have a paragraph on your site. You can use the class attribute to give it a different style, maybe make the text bigger or change its color. And for images, using alt is like adding a friendly caption. It's not just about looking good, it's about helping everyone understand your page no matter what. The class attribute adds a special style to the paragraph. In this case, the class is named Fancy Text, suggesting that it has a unique and stylish appearance. The src attribute specifies the source, file path, or URL of the image. In this case, it's profile JPG, indicating that the image file is named profile JPG. So this code snippet represents a styled paragraph with a special class and an image element displaying a picture named Profile JPG with an alternative description for accessibility. The class Fancy Text suggests that the paragraph has a distinct visual style. Now, let's use these attributes. See this link? The href is where it goes, and target and blank opens it in a new tab. And this box? We're using attributes like type, placeholder, and required to make it cool. Attributes are like tools that help us make things just the way we want. Link with style in the A tag. The href attribute sets the link's destination to quickdev.com. The target attribute opens the link in a new browser tab. The style attribute adds a style to the link. In this case, it changes the text color to blue. And text input field in the input tag, this is an HTML input element. The type attribute defines the input as a text field. The placeholder attribute provides a hint to users about what to enter. In this case, it suggests entering a name. The required attribute makes it mandatory for users to fill in this field before submitting a form. Awesome developers, you've just completed the introduction to attributes. Give yourself a pat on the back. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell to stay updated. In our next video, we're diving into more exciting web development stuff. Keep coding, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next one.